Jason Roostaeian. I'm here at the 50th ASAPS meeting here in San Diego, and I've got Chris Surek here with me, and we're really proud of him. He just published a textbook, and he's still a resident in training at University of Kansas. And the main thing I want to know is, how'd you get this done? As a resident, you're trying to just learn plastic surgery, but you managed to find the time to also write a textbook. So if you could tell us a little bit about how to get that ball rolling.
Well, first of all, Jason, thanks for having me. ASJ, thank you for having me. I first want to give credit to my mentor, Jerry Lamb. He approached me as a young intern. I was passionate about anatomy, which is something that I did prior to being in residency, and kind of planted a seed, and then gave me the opportunity to explore some of his clinical techniques. And then as we did that, we got in touch with other mentors, Glenn Jelks, Javier Boot, to name a couple, and they really also helped kind of blossom those concepts. So it was the collaboration at first, and then I was really passionate about it. For some reason, I really love facial anatomy, I love facial aesthetics, and it's just something that I wanted to learn a lot more about. I feel like there was probably some gaps in knowledge as far as how the anatomy can be related to injectables. When you're in training, you're watching a lot of people do injections, but it's a stick through the skin, and it's a guesstimation, or as Dr. Lamb likes to say, it's an aesthetic eyeball. And so I felt like we could bridge that gap, and so that's what we did. We grinded. We went down to cadaver lab, spent a lot of nights and weekends, unfortunately, away from my wife and from social events to get it done. But I was just very passionate about it. And I would encourage someone who's in training, if they find something they really like, to really pursue it, because I never thought we would get a book out of it. I thought it was just going to be one paper, but things kept growing.
Paper turned to multiple, and then to a textbook. And so, I mean, it sounds like the take-home message is if you find something you're really passionate about it, I think it's almost infectious, and you'll even find that your mentors see that true passion in you and help foster and take it to the moon,
right?
Which you clearly have done, which is pretty awesome. So
we're
really proud of you, and thanks so much.
Yeah, thanks, man.